In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Xbox game bar is not recording. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and fix this, what you're going to want to do, as you can see, I'm here on my desktop, and you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner and just go ahead and type settings into the search box. Now underneath best match, go ahead and open up the settings app on your device. And from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto apps. So what you need to do now is locate the game bar in your list of apps. A quick way to do this is to just use the search box here and just go ahead and type game bar. Now I'm currently using the Microsoft Windows version of Game Bar, but the steps are the same for the Xbox version too. So what you want to do is click onto the app itself and you're going to see an option for advanced options. So what you want to do next is go ahead and click onto advanced options. And then from here, if you scroll down slightly, there's a section which says reset down here. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is press the repair button. So this is going to locate any potential issues with the game bar. And it should actually fix the problem if your Xbox game bar is not recording. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is come down and just go ahead and restart your system. Once you've restarted your system, try to use a game bar and see if it does record. So if the problem does occur again, what you're going to want to do is come back to the screen, and this time you want to press onto reset. So what it's going to do is completely reset the game bar app back to its default settings, and this should actually resolve the problem. Now if that's still not working, another thing I would recommend is making sure your system is up to date. So if you come to your desktop and again in the search box in the bottom left hand corner, what you want to do is go ahead and type update. Underneath best match, you're going to see check for updates. So what you want to do is click onto this and then just click the button to check for updates. Now if there's any updates available, what you're going to want to do is install them on your system. And once you've installed any updates, again make sure to restart your PC for those changes to take effect. And after following these steps, you should now be able to record using the Xbox game bar. So that's how to go ahead and fix if your Xbox game bar is not recording. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.